So we're in the alleys of Taipa, and we have this little place called Messy Kitchen. It looks so interesting. So I think I'm gonna get one of these. Maybe that one. Bifana. Maybe that one. So just give you the context of where we are. We're in the Taipa village alleyways. So we're gonna make an order, then we're gonna find a place to eat. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
So I just pressed this, right?
That was pressed, so that was already.
Oh, okay.
So all you have to do is hold it. Got
Sure.
the Minchi right here, so I'm gonna enjoy this. And this is the My Messy Kitchen. So I'm gonna enjoy it, and thank you so much. And then it's good. Okay, so I just had the meal here. It was amazing. And then this is the two owners right here. They're a married couple, Portugal and Macau. And they got a menu, and they're gonna just kind of show the menu. They're also gonna just tell us quick about what's upstairs too.
Yeah, so we do catering and also private dining upstairs. So we have totally different food from the menu. Also, like we have some special like seafood rice and bacalhau and all this. Yeah.
And we try also to bring back the Macanese food, the traditional Macanese food. Please come and try our Minchi bread. It's quite unique. It's very local, and I don't think you can easily find it any place in Macau at the moment.
So come and check it out. And the name is
My Messy Kitchen.
And there's a QR code as well.
In Chinese, it's Taki.
Taki.
Taki. It means cute.
Perfect. Okay, so we just sat at My Messy Kitchen. That was and we had the Minchi one right here. And I was actually asking him a little bit about it. Actually, I talked to him for about an hour, to both of them. Very interesting. Learned a lot of information. This is actually an original one from here. There's another couple next to us, and they were eating the bifana, and it's like a slow cooked beef. So there's a lot of amazing stuff. So let's just kind of walk through, and we're going to kind of show you where the location is of this. And I'm going to do it by going to food truck. To the food street. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And they also have an upstairs as well. So so let's just come down this way real quick. So this is actually on a street called Travessa de Esperanza, right here. And actually, I kind of learned a lot from them because I was asking them about this guy right here, Jesus, who used to manage and own and run this Barcelona restaurant. And I guess that he left. And I guess I didn't realize it, but a lot of these businesses in here are owned by a large group of people, and they can change the owners in the restaurants. So that's probably why I see a lot of changes throughout here. But anyways, I don't want to get too far away from our main topic. But that was My Messy Kitchen. It's on Esperanza Street. It's in these little alleys everywhere. And just to make it simple for somebody who wants to try to find it, I'm gonna go down this street, which is Dos Clérigos. And I'm just gonna go directly to the main popular area, which is Cunha. And then that'll kind of be your guide to how to get here as well. But yeah, anyways, had a really interesting conversations, and I won't share it, but basically just about their history and living in Macau, because it's very interesting. So anyways, if you want to go to that place, they have a great menu. Oh, I was also going to just say too, this is the street where all the tourists go. So this is Cunha. Very busy, very popular. Then we're just gonna go out real quick to this street. So if you're in Macau, you can come down to Taipa Village and you can find this street real easy, Cunha, which is kind of the main street where all the tourists are at. So to see a ton of people everywhere, you'll know you're in the right location. And then you can find this one, this Lao de Beef Opal, the long lines. And then you find Clarigos and you find Starbucks. And then you go all the way down and you can just follow it. And then you'll see that one that says the Lux and those pink buildings, and then you take a right and it's on Esperanza Street. So okay, so we're going to come through Kunigai real quick. And you kind of get an idea. So this is basically Taipa Village, and I think I'm going to film this whole street separately and do a separate video for it. But yeah, basically they're back in the alleys, so you just kind of head back there to Esperanza Street and you'll find My Messy Kitchen, and that was a really good meal. Oh, they were also telling me too about some of the other chefs around and some other creativity. Very interesting. Okay. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.